Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brands. Today, it's a mini Sephora haul. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video out. If you do enjoy my content, give the video a big thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And you can also click the little join button right down there so that you can get information about becoming a channel member for exclusive perks. Thank you to my channel members. We are very quickly going to dive in. I may test the couple of products that I did get, and I don't know why I have two boxes here because I only made one order. So yeah, we are going to dive in. It is just a little mini haul. My girl Heather, I'll pop her beautiful face right here and link her channel down below. One of these items I got because of her, so I blame her. I blame you, Heather girl. I blame you. Alright, so let me get everything out. I'm pretty sure that in this box is honestly probably just like one of the freebies. Alright y'all, this big old box had one item in it. Sephora. You gotta do better about that, girl. How are you guys? Let's check in really quickly. How's everything going? Do you have any Valentine plans? Are you your own damn Valentine, which is totally fine? Any birthdays coming up? Any big changes? Marriage? Babies? Anything like that? Becoming an empty nester? Like this girl right here? Yeah, surprisingly, I'm doing okay. My anxiety is slightly high, but I'm doing okay. And it's been about a week since we dropped Caleb off. It's still weird that he's just not in the house, and I feel off. I don't feel sad or anything like that. I feel incredibly proud, and surprisingly, I'm okay. I don't know if it just maybe has not hit me yet or what. If you want to chime in on this conversation down below, I would love to find out your thoughts. How did you handle becoming an empty nester? Did you get used to it quickly? Did it not hit you for a while? I'm curious. All right, we're gonna dive in, you guys. First up, I got this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Bright Fix Eye Brightener. I did get the shade Golden Ivory 02. I have been wanting to try this ever since it came out because I've seen quite a few beauties that are also more mature and have dry skin that really have loved it, so I'm hoping I really love it. Next is this Kayali and Huda Beauty Juicy Kit. It has an exclusive shade of her liquid matte lipstick, and it also has her Eau de Parfum in the Eden Juicy Apple, which I have not tried this fragrance yet. I love getting these. The little kits are usually $27 or $29. You get the mini fragrance, which is $27 by itself. And you also get a lipstick, matte lipstick, a bullet lipstick, whatever the case may be. I've seen quite a few of you guys buy this and test this out. So we're going to test this out today as well. I'm excited. I love the Kayali fragrances. They are beautiful. And then last, as far as an actual purchase, is the one that Heather made me buy. And it is the Beautyblender Power Pocket Puff. Say that 3 times fast, honey. The dual-sided powder puff. And I've actually heard quite a few people rave about this. And you guys know that I don't use a whole lot of powder, but I like the idea that with this, because I use such a small amount of powder, basically to set my complexion, I like that I can be really precise. So I think I'm going to test these products out with you guys today and just kind of see how they work. So I do want to open this up and take a look at it. Oh, that is very strange. I was not expecting that texture. So this side right here almost kind of feels to me like silicone-y and kind of very matte silicone feeling. And then of course you'd put your fingers through here. And then this side right here feels very soft, almost like, I guess, like velour. So I guess the premise is that this part is supposed to actually, you know, pick up the powder, press it into place. Of course, you could carve out when you're like chiseling and doing contouring. And the other side is meant to just kind of blend out the product. It actually feels a little heavier than I thought it was going to feel as well. It feels quite well made. I do like the little beauty blender in the pink. I think it's super cute. Yeah, we'll see how it works. And then I did turn in my little points, and then of course you get freebies through Sephora as well. So with my points, I got the Dior Forever Skin Glow 24-Hour Wear Radiant Foundation. Does that not sound amazing? And I did get the shade 2N Neutral, so I don't know. I only had 3 different choices, so hopefully this ends up working out for me. I also got a Versace Bright Crystal Little Mini Eau de Toilette. I will put this in my pay it forward pile because I do have the full size. And then I cannot believe I have not tried this yet. It's the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. It's 2 mascaras in one, and it has, I guess, like a little skinnier curl wand and then a more volumizing wand, which is typically what I love to do using 2 mascaras. So I really hope that I like this. Of course, you guys will see this coming up very soon. And then, of course, you can pick 2 freebies. I did not pick this. I don't know how this came, but it's the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops in medium. We're going to put that in the pay it forward pile as well. And I don't remember getting this either. Maybe they were sold out of the samples that I wanted. It's the It Cosmetics CC Oil-Free Matte Poreless Finished Full Coverage Cream, the little samples. So we'll put that in the pay it forward pile too. Anyways, I have zero makeup on. I have not even done my skincare yet, if I'm being honest. So I just want to go in with this and test it out and then very lightly set it with this. So I'm going to grab a setting powder and I just want to see how it works. BRB. All right, I grabbed, because it's a Fenty product, I decided to grab my Fenty Beauty Powder. This is the Pro Filter Powder in the shade Butter. Okay, we're just going to go in. I do want to try to see if there's some little deets on this that I can check out really quick. Instantly hydrates, brightens, and blurs. It's light as air, sheer to buildable coverage that lasts. This sounds so incredible. And I think the preface for this is more just kind of blurring and maybe doing a little bit of color correction. It's not a full-on like concealer. So I like the packaging, very pretty. This beautiful kind of blushy nude. That is so weird. That is what the applicator looks like. I literally know nothing about it. I just know that some of you like it, so I wanted to try it. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit, I guess. Oh shit. I can already say it feels quite a liquidy and quite thin. I like a little applicator too. I am actually gonna go in with my fingers. Oh, the texture of this feels really, really nice. It almost feels very serum-y. And kind of reminds me, I don't know if you guys have used the Tarte Shape Tape, the glow wands. I am obsessed with those. I love to put those, I love to use those and wear them in conjunction with the foundation, kind of set them down first and then go with my foundation. I feel like I used way too much. Again, we're not aiming for coverage here. And I do have extremely dry under eyes, dry, dehydrated skin, kind of in general. So basically, I would like to see this kind of just take away a little bit of the darkness under my eyes, not emphasize any texture or anything. And so far, so good. Again, I think I used a little bit too much. The texture of this feels very, very nice, you guys. Quite light, quite lightweight, and again, very like serum-y. And if you are somebody like me that you are definitely, you know, a less is more beauty, like this would be enough for me to call it a concealer. I know that's not everybody's preference, but it is for me, and it's enough for me. I definitely feel like it's giving me some color correcting benefit. It blended out like a freaking dream. I do not see any emphasis on texture. I don't see any creasing or anything like that. And of course I do have fine lines. That looks really pretty. Ooh, okay. Now we're gonna go in with the powder quickly before this has time to set all the way. And we're supposed to go in with the pink side for the powder. I think aesthetically it's just so damn cute. And I don't know how much to use because it says this is supposed to pick up a lot of product and it really, really does. Oh, I'm scared. So I'm going to go in with my finger first. You could also use a sponge and just press out just to make sure there is no creasing. And I'm going to lightly press. It feels quite comfortable to hold. Oh, you guys. This powder smells so damn nice. I typically don't like stuff like this where it's scented, and I'm very weird about loose powders, as you guys know, because I have allergies and stuff. That looks really pretty. And I really love that you can be super, super precise. Oh, I like that. And then, of course, if I was setting my entire complexion and had foundation on, I know already that I would really like this. So, same thing. We're going to press out any creasing. And even though I feel like it feels heavier than I anticipated it feeling, it feels light in the hand, if that makes any sense. Wow, that looks pretty. Ooh, I love this. And I can really see kind of getting really precise here as well. Kind of pressing out, even if you just used it to blot. Like, go into the powder. Obviously, I have no makeup on. Sorry, guys. Like, how easy would that be? This is really nice. Huh. All right. Thank you, Heather, for making me buy it. I really like this. I love the texture. I love the consistency. We'll kind of see how things wear throughout the day. Again, I'm kind of just playing around, but so far so good. That puff I really, really like. And then I would also like to test out the perfume. I'm going to put the lipstick in my Pay It Forward pile for you guys. All right, Kayali Eden Juicy Apple. And there's so many reasons that I love Kayali perfumes, you guys. First and foremost, I think aesthetically speaking, they're gorgeous. They feel nice and heavy. They feel nice and luxe. And they're eau de parfums, which means that they have less alcohol, less water, and they have more actual essential oils and things like that. So they're very, very long lasting on the skin. I'm telling you guys, I can take a shower at night, spray this on, and through the entire next day, I still smell these. They are beautiful fragrances. I want the full size of the Sweet Diamond Pepper one. I'm gonna get it, y'all. I'm gonna get it eventually. But the notes here are juicy red apple, wild berries, jasmine, lychee, vanilla flower, and sensual musk. So I've never had a hard time taking their lids off. That was quite strange. So let's see. Oh my God. I knew I would love it. Oh my gosh. I'm instantly getting the apple for sure. It's quite sensual, quite sexy. I feel like this is more of kind of a nighttime, like date night type perfume. I love that. That's amazing. Ooh. So y'all, that is my teeny tiny little haul. I definitely want to come back and demo these couple products for y'all. Maybe I'll do them as like shorts or something like that. And any of these products that you've tried, please, please, please let me know. I will update you guys on this, but like, damn, this looks amazing. Like I would throw on some tinted hydrator, set everything just lightly, do some mascaras, and of course a brow. That's it, beauties. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.